Rot der Rot is a picturesque town in Baden-Württemberg, Germany, steeped in history and surrounded by idyllic landscapes. Its name derives from the Rot River, which flows through the region, and the nearby Rot Abbey, a former Premonstratensian monastery that played a central role in shaping the town's identity. The abbey's impressive Baroque architecture, with its richly decorated church and tranquil cloisters, stands as a testament to the area's religious and cultural heritage. Today, the abbey remains a focal point for visitors, hosting events, concerts, and exhibitions that highlight its historical significance. The natural beauty surrounding Rot der Rot is a major draw for nature enthusiasts and outdoor adventurers. The rolling hills, dense forests, and pristine meadows offer an array of hiking and biking trails that cater to all skill levels. The Rot River, with its serene flow, provides opportunities for fishing and picnicking along its banks. Seasonal changes bring unique experiences, from vibrant autumn foliage to snow-covered landscapes in winter, making it an enchanting destination year-round. Agriculture has long been a cornerstone of Rot der Rot's economy and way of life. The fertile land surrounding the town supports diverse farming activities, including the cultivation of crops and livestock rearing. Local farmers' markets are a showcase of fresh, seasonal produce, homemade cheeses, and artisan goods, reflecting the community's dedication to sustainable and traditional practices. These markets are not just economic hubs but also places where locals and visitors connect over shared culinary traditions. The town celebrates its history and culture through a variety of festivals and events. The annual Rot Abbey Festival draws crowds with its blend of music, art, and local traditions. Historical reenactments and guided tours during the festival provide insights into the lives of the abbey's former inhabitants and the town's medieval roots. Other seasonal events, such as Christmas markets and harvest festivals, create a sense of community and allow visitors to experience the warmth and hospitality of Rot der Rot. Rot der Rot is home to a number of preserved historical structures that offer a glimpse into its past. In addition to the abbey, the town features charming half-timbered houses, stone bridges, and ancient wells that have stood the test of time. These landmarks, scattered throughout the town, contribute to its storybook charm and provide endless opportunities for exploration and photography. Each corner of the town tells a story, connecting visitors with centuries of tradition. The town values education and cultural enrichment, with several initiatives aimed at preserving its heritage while inspiring future generations. Local schools often incorporate field trips to the abbey and nearby historical sites, fostering a sense of pride and awareness among students. Community programs and workshops also teach traditional crafts such as woodworking, pottery, and weaving, ensuring that these skills continue to thrive in a modern context. Art and music play a significant role in the cultural identity of Rot der Rot. The town frequently hosts classical music concerts in the Abbey Church, where the stunning acoustics enhance the performances. Local artists and musicians often collaborate to create exhibitions and performances that reflect the town's natural beauty and historical significance. The integration of art into daily life ensures that creativity remains a vibrant part of the community. The culinary scene in Rot der Rot is a delightful reflection of its agricultural roots. Traditional Swabian dishes, such as Maltischen, stuffed pasta, and Schuffnudeln, potato noodles, are staples in local eateries, often paired with regional wines or beers. Bakeries and cafes serve freshly baked goods, including pretzels and fruit-filled pastries, providing visitors with a true taste of southern Germany. Seasonal menus highlight local ingredients, offering a unique dining experience each time of year. Religious heritage is deeply embedded in the town's identity, with the abbey serving as both a historical landmark and a spiritual center. The Abbey Church of St. Verena is renowned for its intricate frescoes, gilded altars, and serene atmosphere. Pilgrims and visitors alike find solace in its sacred spaces, which have been carefully preserved to honor their original purpose. The church also holds regular services, making it an active part of the community's spiritual life. Sustainability and environmental stewardship are priorities in Rot and der Rot, as seen in its numerous green initiatives. Efforts to preserve the natural landscapes include reforestation projects, the protection of local wildlife, and the promotion of eco-friendly tourism. Cycling and walking are encouraged as primary modes of transportation, with well-maintained paths linking key areas of the town. Renewable energy sources, such as solar panels, are also increasingly used in homes and businesses. The town's library and cultural center act as hubs for learning and creativity. These spaces host book readings, art classes, and community discussions, fostering an atmosphere of intellectual curiosity and collaboration. Historical archives housed in the library allow residents and researchers to delve into the town's past, uncovering stories of its development and the people who shaped it. These resources ensure that Rot and der Rot's history remains accessible and celebrated. For families, Rot and der Rot offers a safe and welcoming environment with plenty of activities for children. Parks and playgrounds provide spaces for outdoor fun, while events such as storytelling sessions and craft workshops cater to young minds. Schools and childcare facilities emphasize community values, ensuring that children grow up with a strong sense of belonging and respect for their surroundings. Traditional crafts remain an integral part of Rot and der Rot's identity. Wood carving, basket weaving, and textile making are among the skills passed down through generations. Local artisans often open their workshops to visitors, offering demonstrations and hands-on experiences. These crafts not only preserve the town's heritage but also provide unique souvenirs that carry the spirit of Rot and der Rot. The surrounding countryside is dotted with quaint villages and hamlets, each with its own unique character and attractions. Exploring these areas offers a deeper understanding of the region's rural life and traditions. Many of these villages host their own small festivals, where visitors can enjoy regional music, food, and crafts in a more intimate setting. This network of communities contributes to the broader cultural tapestry of Rot and der Rot. Rot and der Rot's mild climate makes it an appealing destination throughout the year. Summers are perfect for outdoor activities, while winters bring a serene beauty to the snow-covered landscapes. Spring and autumn offer vibrant colors and pleasant temperatures, ideal for exploring the town and its surroundings. This versatility ensures that visitors can enjoy a range of experiences regardless of the season. The town's residents take great pride in maintaining its cleanliness and charm. Streets and public spaces are meticulously cared for, creating an inviting atmosphere for visitors. This attention to detail reflects the community's commitment to preserving the character of Rot and der Rot for future generations. Residents often volunteer in beautification projects, strengthening the bond between people and place. Rot and der Rot's strategic location makes it an excellent base for exploring the broader Aargau region. Its proximity to major cities like Ulm and scenic destinations such as Lake Constance provides visitors with countless options for day trips. The town itself serves as a tranquil retreat, offering a peaceful contrast to the bustling energy of larger urban centers. Local legends and folklore add a layer of mystique to Rot and der Rot's cultural fabric. Stories of monks, mysterious artifacts, and ancient rituals are passed down through generations, enriching the town's narrative. These tales often inspire festivals, plays, and community events, where history and myth intertwine to create a uniquely engaging experience for participants and spectators alike. Modern infrastructure ensures that Rot and der Rot remains connected while retaining its rural charm. Reliable public transportation, high-speed internet, and modern healthcare facilities support a high quality of life for residents. Visitors benefit from these amenities, enjoying the convenience of contemporary services in a setting that feels worlds away from the hustle and bustle of urban life. Rot and der Rot is more than just a destination. It is a living embodiment of history, culture, and community. Its abbey, natural landscapes, and vibrant traditions create a multifaceted experience that leaves a lasting impression on all who visit. Whether you are seeking spiritual enrichment, outdoor adventure, or a deeper connection to German heritage, this charming town offers something truly special. Rot an der Rot is deeply connected to its abbey's history, which dates back to the 12th century when the Premonstratensians established a religious community here. The abbey became a spiritual and cultural hub, influencing the development of the surrounding region. Its beautifully preserved architecture, including the abbey church and chapter house, showcases elements of Gothic, Renaissance, and Baroque styles. Guided tours allow visitors to uncover its storied past, from monastic life to its role in regional politics. The town's connection to the Rot River adds to its picturesque charm, offering opportunities for leisure and exploration. The riverbanks are ideal for quiet walks and nature observation, particularly in spring when wildflowers bloom. Efforts to maintain the river's health through conservation programs ensure its waters remain pristine, benefiting both wildlife and the community. These initiatives highlight the town's dedication to sustainable living and environmental harmony. Rot an der Rot's cultural calendar is brimming with events that celebrate local traditions and modern creativity. The Abbey Music Festival, for instance, attracts classical and contemporary musicians from across the region. Held in the Abbey's historic halls, the festival creates a magical atmosphere where centuries-old architecture blends with modern artistry. Seasonal craft fairs and open-air theater performances add variety, making the town a cultural hotspot throughout the year. The town is a haven for history enthusiasts, offering a treasure trove of artifacts and landmarks that tell the story of its evolution. Museums and exhibits within the abbey grounds display religious relics, ancient manuscripts, and tools used in daily monastic life. Walking tours led by local historians provide insights into the town's transformation from a medieval settlement to a thriving modern community. Each corner of Rot an der Rot reveals layers of history waiting to be uncovered. Rot an der Rot is a community that values inclusivity and collective well-being. Social programs and volunteer initiatives bring residents together, fostering a strong sense of belonging. Events such as neighborhood cleanups and charity fundraisers underscore the town's commitment to helping one another and maintaining its welcoming atmosphere. This spirit of unity is felt by visitors, who often remark on the warm and friendly reception they receive upon arrival. The town's architecture is a fascinating blend of old and new, reflecting its journey through time. While historic structures like the abbey and half-timbered houses stand as reminders of the past, modern buildings seamlessly integrate into the landscape. Sustainable design principles are evident in recent developments, with energy-efficient homes and public spaces that prioritize accessibility and environmental conservation. Rot an der Rot is a destination for those seeking tranquility and introspection. The abbey grounds, in particular, offer serene gardens and quiet nooks perfect for meditation or a moment of peace. The surrounding countryside, with its gently rolling hills and shaded woodlands, invites visitors to escape the noise of everyday life. Whether through yoga retreats or simply unwinding by the river, the town provides ample opportunities for relaxation and mindfulness. Education is a cornerstone of Rot an der Rot's community ethos. Schools emphasize a well-rounded curriculum that combines academic rigor with practical skills and cultural awareness. Partnerships with local artisans and farmers allow students to learn traditional crafts and sustainable practices firsthand. This approach ensures that the next generation remains connected to their heritage while embracing the challenges of a rapidly changing world. The town is a delight for photographers and artists, with its scenic landscapes and historical details serving as endless sources of inspiration. Whether it's the intricate carvings on the abbey's facade, the play of light on the river, or the vibrant colors of the local flora, every angle offers a captivating scene. Art workshops and photo contests are frequently organized, encouraging both locals and visitors to capture and celebrate the beauty of Rot an der Rot. Rot an der Rot's culinary traditions are deeply rooted in its agricultural heritage. Seasonal dishes made with fresh, local ingredients are staples of the town's cuisine. Restaurants and family-run taverns pride themselves on serving authentic Swabian meals, often accompanied by regional wines and beers. Cooking classes and food tours provide an immersive way to experience the flavors of the area, from homemade pasta to locally sourced honey and cheeses. The town's connection to its surrounding natural environment is reflected in its outdoor recreational offerings. Families can enjoy leisurely picnics in well-maintained parks, while adventure seekers can explore more challenging hiking and biking trails. Birdwatching and wildlife spotting are popular activities in the region's nature reserves, where diverse ecosystems are carefully protected to ensure a thriving habitat for flora and fauna. Local craftsmanship continues to thrive in Rot and der Rot, with workshops dedicated to traditional trades like wood carving, pottery, and textiles. These artisans not only preserve age-old techniques but also adapt them to create modern, functional designs. Visitors can take home unique souvenirs, such as handcrafted furniture or beautifully glazed ceramics, as reminders of the town's rich creative heritage and attention to detail. Music and dance are integral to the town's identity, with numerous opportunities to enjoy live performances or participate in community gatherings. Folk traditions, such as the Schuhplattler, are celebrated during festivals and cultural events, often accompanied by traditional costumes and lively music. Choirs and orchestras, both professional and amateur, ensure that music remains a vibrant part of everyday life in Rot and der Rot. Rot and der Rot's mild climate enhances its appeal as a year-round destination. Spring and summer bring lush greenery and colorful blossoms, while autumn paints the landscape in warm hues. Winters, though chilly, are magical, especially during the town's Christmas markets and snow-covered hikes. This seasonal variety ensures that visitors always find something new to discover and enjoy, regardless of when they arrive. The town's infrastructure is designed to balance modern convenience with a commitment to sustainability. Renewable energy sources, efficient waste management systems, and eco-friendly transportation options are priorities. Cycling paths and pedestrian-friendly zones make it easy to explore the town without relying on cars. These efforts not only enhance quality of life but also set a standard for responsible urban development. Rot and der Rot's proximity to other notable destinations makes it an excellent base for exploring southern Germany. From here, visitors can easily access the Allgäu Alps, Lake Constance, and historic cities like Ulm and Ravensburg. The town's central location ensures that travelers can enjoy a mix of rural charm and urban excitement, all within a short drive or train ride. The Abbey's library is a hidden gem, housing a collection of rare manuscripts, theological texts, and historical records. Its ornate shelves and reading tables exude an atmosphere of scholarly pursuit, offering a glimpse into the intellectual life of the monastery's former residents. Researchers and history buffs often visit to delve into this treasure trove, uncovering insights into medieval scholarship and regional governance. The town's integration of arts, culture, and education fosters a vibrant, well-rounded community. Regular exhibitions showcase local talent, from painters and sculptors to writers and filmmakers. Collaborative projects between schools and cultural institutions encourage creativity among younger generations, ensuring that Rot and der Rot remains a place where innovation and tradition coexist harmoniously. Rot and der Rot's enduring appeal lies in its ability to offer both a window into the past and a vision for the future. Whether through its abbey, natural surroundings, or cultural activities, the town invites visitors to immerse themselves in a way of life that values heritage, community, and sustainability. It's a place where history comes alive, creativity thrives, and every visitor feels part of something timeless.